Alright, I hope everybody's having a great day. In this video, we're going to be talking to the beginners, those trying to learn how to set up and program Hercles. I've got another first project for you guys. It's another set of soft gels for doing side work. And these soft gels are going to be about 6 inches tall. It's going to have a 5-inch wide pocket in it, 0.25 deep. It's also going to come with a clamp, so there's no need to have a stop. Just slide the part in the pocket and it'll locate itself. And you're pretty much going to be working with soft jaws on a daily basis, so you need to pretty much get used to designing soft jaws around whatever parts you're going to be making. And they're going to come in various of sizes, so you need to pretty much get yourself geared to making soft jaws on a daily basis. So let's take a look at the program on these soft jaws and the clamp. Inspection. Alright, that's pretty much it. Thank you. Have a great day.